Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce you to 10-minute meals, a delightful collection of quick and easy recipes that will revolutionize your weeknight dinners. It's time to say goodbye to kitchen stress and hello to delicious simplicity. Let's dive right in and discover the magic of 10-minute meals. Up next, we have egg fried rice. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of cooked rice and salt, pepper, parsley and chili as per your taste. To start, heat the oil and butter in a pan over medium heat. Next, crack the eggs into the pan and scramble it with a spatula. Fry the eggs until they are scrambled. Add the cooked rice, salt, pepper and chili to the pan and stir it well, and then let it fry for 1 minute on medium heat, but don't stir. After that, turn off the stove and put your delicious egg fried rice on the plate. Add little parsley on the top and your meal is completed. Following is avocado toast. For this recipe you will need 2 toasts of bread, half of avocado, salt and pepper to taste, and lemon juice, which is optional. First, cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Then, scoop out the avocado flesh into a bowl and mash it with a fork and add lemon juice. Next, toast the bread until it's golden brown. Next, spread the mashed avocado on top of the toast. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. If desired, drizzle some lemon juice over the avocado. Your delicious avocado toast is now ready to be served. You can elevate your avocado toast by topping it with sliced cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. And lastly, we have chickpea salad. For this quick and nutritious salad, you will need 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, in a bowl, combine the chickpeas, red onion, bell pepper, and cucumber. Then, drizzle the olive oil and lemon juice over the ingredients and toss well to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Your refreshing and protein-packed chickpea salad is now ready to be enjoyed. And that concludes our 10-minute meals video. We sincerely hope you found this quick, healthy and delicious recipe perfect for your busy weeknights. If you enjoyed them, we would greatly appreciate your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more fantastic recipes that are both nutritious and time-saving. We'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Let us know which recipe was your absolute favorite, and feel free to share your own twists or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for our next flavorful creation. Happy cooking, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.